In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get direct factory supplier phone number on 1688 2025. We'll walk through a simple flow that helps you reach real manufacturers instead of middlemen, so you can negotiate better pricing and faster production. Start by opening 1688.com in Google Chrome. Since most of the site is in Chinese, right-click anywhere on the page and choose Translate to English. This instantly makes navigation easier, and you can switch translation on and off as needed to compare the original terms. Next, search for your product. Type a clear keyword like LED lights, bags, or shoes, and press enter. From the results, click into a listing that looks established with a solid sales history and a realistic price. Don't be tempted by prices that are far below the market. They're often a sign of a trading company or a bait and switch listing. On the product page, confirm you're dealing with a manufacturer. Look for labels such as factory or manufacturer, often shown as Hanjia. It's also helpful to see gold supplier or verified supplier badges and a seller history of several years on 1688. If you notice trading company marked as Maoyi Gongxi, move on if your goal is direct factory pricing. Once you've found a promising listing, click the company name to open the supplier store page. This takes you to their profile where you can learn more about their capabilities and crucially find their contact details. On the supplier page, locate the section labeled contact information or Lian Shi Fang Shi. Here you'll typically see a mobile number, a landline, a WeChat ID, and the factory address. If the number appears partially hidden, look for a View More button or Chakan Gung Do to expand the details. If the phone number is still hidden, log into your 1688 account or click Contact Supplier, Lian Shi Shangjia. Creating a free account takes just a moment. After logging in, refresh the page and check the contact section again. In 2025, WeChat is often the best channel. If a WeChat ID shown as Weisin Hao is listed, add it and send a short, clear message like, "Hello, I am looking for a direct factory supplier. Can you share your catalog and MOQ?" Keep it simple and consider attaching a product photo to avoid confusion. Before you place any orders, verify they're truly a factory. Check their business license, Ying Ye Zhijiao, browse factory photos, review production capacity, and confirm whether they support OEM or ODM. Real factories answer technical questions, offer customization, and maintain a consistent minimum order quantity. With these checks, you'll confidently reach the right partner and secure reliable, direct contact.